Let's have some beer. What be going down, people of the world? My name is Redbeard, and this is yet another beer review. Thanks a bunch for joining me. Smash that thumbs up button in the face, and let's get into it, shall we? For the beer of the today, that's something mildly big, kinda, a little bit. This is a bottle of Barn Owl number 25. I have not had any other Barn Owl before this point. This is a Foeder aged Imperial Stout, coming in at 13.2% ABV by Bellwoods Brewing out of Toronto, Ontario. A couple of my friends have had this particular beer, and apparently it's a bit thin. 13.2% stout, that seems weird that it would be thin, but aged in a Foeder. Apparently it's pronounced Foeder, from what the internet says. Basically a giant barrel. Usually they age them in like, what are they usually 50-gallon barrels? Like I don't know what size of barrels, but big barrels. And they're usually first use or second use, or I don't freaking know, but bourbon barrels. Sometimes other kinds of hard alcohol barrels. And yeah, a Foeder is apparently it's just a like one huge giant barrel. So it is the same but not. Let's crack it open. After you see the little bell. Look, a little bell. I have got, I want to say a good 7 or 8 bottles of beers from Bellwoods in my fridge that are just a bunch of really weird things, and I just literally did an order today of $100 worth of more beer from Bellwoods because they just released a bunch more beer and I want them. So let's crack this open. I'm gonna have beer on hand for a little while. Say that. Yeah. Yeah. Glass. Beer. Ooh, pretty smoky. Even on the pour, that doesn't seem super dark. Like, can light penetrate that shite? Where is my freaking flashlight? Sitting right there. 2 seconds. Not even. Well, that was actually probably in the neighborhood of like 5 or 6, but okay. Light. Okay, no. Not even on the edges, actually. Fair enough. When I was pouring it, I could see very clearly through the stream. It sounds dirty. Okay. It smells like chocolate turpentine or something. Holy shite, that smells boozy. But nice. Very nice. Imperial Stout. Generic aroma coming off this. Dark chocolate. Roasted malts. Maybe kind of a bit of a coffee thing. Let's give her a shot. Warming sensation. Wow. Very boozy. Nice lingering dark fruit kind of flavor, maybe. I'm going with what I'm getting from that. What I'm doing. Let's do this. Cheers, everybody. I wouldn't say it's a bit thin. Like, Jesus. This is a sipper, though. Wow. Every sip is like taking a small shot of hard alcohol. Moonshine. It's unusual. I like the flavor overall, though. Give it like a medium body. It's not like a thick motor oily kind of stout, but it'd be nice. I like that really thick mouthfeel in a stout, but it's not the end of the world. I completely neglected to look this up on tap. Bellwoodsbrewing.com or .ca will take you to Bellwoods. I can't recall if it's .com or .ca. It's on here somewhere though, because Bellwoods is good like that. I bet you. Even has a date. 20. This is from last year. November 18th, 2020. Did I grab this out of their cellar thing that they... I don't think so. They had some, like, barrel-aged, or sort of like, stuff from our cellar released not too long ago. Actually, not seeing. Oh, we got the ingredients on here, though. Bellwoods is great. Look at the size of the label. It's not a big label, but everything you want is on there. Everything I want. Everything you should want. Water, malted barley, oat, wheat, hops, yeast. Contains barley, oat, wheat. So stupid they have to put that on there. Barn Owl is a series of one-off creations that are released sporadically throughout the year, just as soon as we deem the barrels ripe for the picking. Number 25 is a traditional Imperial Stout that underwent an extended 2-year secondary fermentation in New American oak foeders. The resulting beer is unique, heavily oaked, and liquor-like. Yes, I guess it says liqueur-like. So yeah, it's very... I'd almost mix this, like, put some in a hot chocolate. Or, I don't drink coffee, but put some in your coffee. Even like a bowl of vanilla ice cream. Put like a couple shots of this in there and kind of mix it up, and that'd be tasty. But yeah, the actual website's on here. But it's bellwoodsbrewing.com or .ca. Figure it out. I believe in you. Smack the bottle off there, put it up there like I should be doing all the frickin' time, but I just haven't because I'm a genius. Barn Owl. 25? There we go. And it is a 4.09 out of 5 with 227 ratings overall. Another one that I'm in a mildly elite group of people that have had it. Make me feel kind of special. I like it. Yeah. I'm not going to come back with the warm thing because I'm going to be schmammered, probably. I've had one other beer this evening. It's my second beer of the night. Didn't eat a lot of food today, though, so see where we end up. If you've had this particular beer, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Start the conversation, because we're done. Like if you liked, dislike if you disliked. It's the way it works. I'd appreciate if you subscribe, though. You know, do a ginger a favor. Don't know what I'm talking about. Bell notification. Fun shit. Back with something like this pretty soon. Peace out. Not gonna lie, very excited for the new Bellwoods beers. There's a new raspberry blueberry Jelly King and some like slushy Jelly King. Yeah.